Coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, our big weather concern earlier this afternoon was certainly the heat, but as we got into the evening, that began to shift into that concern over strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, we don't have any severe thunderstorm warnings in effect right now, but I'm still tracking that strong storm in southeastern Lawrence County. It will continue to track right along the Winston and Coleman County line, moving away from North Alabama. Watch this in the loop here over the past hour or so on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, and you will see elsewhere it's just some light to moderate rain, a few occasional rumbles of thunder, and that more intense activity is even continuing to fade here as that storm moves out of Lawrence County. I'm noticing that the lightning is not quite as intense and frequent as it was earlier, and all of that very intense rain is starting to subside. So that concern with that particular storm is starting to lessen just a little bit. Look at the feels like temperatures right now. It is still feeling like 81 degrees in Muscle Shoals, but elsewhere that rain has made a difference. It's feeling like the mid 70s. Actual temperatures, that's where we are, but 78 degrees in Muscle Shoals. That's the one exception. 74 in Guntersville, 75 in Decatur. There has been a fair amount of cloud cover left over, also some haze from that wildfire smoke. I'll be tracking that for you in just a second, but as we go throughout the rest of tonight, this data source does show that leftover rain from the thunderstorms we've been seeing continuing to kind of erode as we get into early tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock Saturday. We'll wake up to a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Those clouds start to break up. We've got sunshine again for tomorrow and an isolated storm chance for your Saturday afternoon. The temperatures hot again. Mid 90s for most of us, and it's going to feel even hotter when you factor in humidity. A couple of stray storms before midnight, even after sunset, but there are better rain chances on Sunday. A front's going to be moving through, and that front brings in storm chances potentially in the morning, and then especially during the afternoon. Another cluster of storms comes in here. That's 2:30 Sunday afternoon, lasting through the first part of the evening. And as we get into your Monday, lingering storms are possible as well, but there is some improvement finally coming as we get a little bit further into next week. But the feels like temperatures tomorrow, 105 in Florence and Muscle Shoals by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, feeling like we're close to 100 in Huntsville, 102 in Decatur, 100 in Guntersville, 102 in Scottsboro. And then as we go into Sunday, once we get a little bit of rain in here, it is not going to feel quite as hot. And even by 10 o'clock at night, yes, it's going to be humid, but those feels like temperatures will finally start to improve. But tomorrow afternoon, it's hot enough for another heat advisory for all of North Alabama. It starts actually at 10 o'clock in the morning, lasts until 7 p.m. And during that time period, that's when you want to limit your time outdoors. If you do have to go outside, take frequent breaks, get some water, get some shade, and find ways to cool down on a regular basis. Something else that we have been dealing with today, I don't know if you noticed it, but the smoke and the haze is back, and it's going to still be with us tomorrow morning. Everything that you see shaded in here in that orange color, that's more dense smoke moving out of Tennessee into North Alabama, and I would expect that to affect our air quality again tomorrow. Today, it was reading in the unhealthy for some category. Those that have pre-existing heart or lung conditions can feel the effects of that smoke a little more than others. It just means that you should limit your time outdoors. Of course, in the peak of the daytime heating, you want to do that anyway with the kind of temperatures we've been seeing. Picking back up here on Sunday with future radar, look at the scattered showers and storms that we still got Sunday evening. As we get into Sunday night, a little bit of improvement, and into Monday, spotty storms will still be possible during the afternoon, but the bulk of that more organized rain looks like it's going to be farther to our south. 7-day forecast, 30% chance of rain overall tomorrow, goes up to a 60% chance on Sunday. And as we get into Monday, 40% chance mainly in the morning. Look at the temperatures, mid 90s tomorrow, and that's about it for this heat wave. Close to 90 Sunday, but mid 80s on Monday. Overnight lows, mid 60s waking up on Tuesday.